After a long wait, the Surface earbuds are finally here. If you guys remember, they were announced about 8 months ago, and this week they announced that they are finally ready to ship. They are going out for $199, but they have a special pricing of $179.99 for students, parents, teachers, and military people. $30 off. That is a really good deal. So if you are one of the mentioned people, you should really take advantage of the offer. They only come in one color, the grayish white one. People are talking bad about the design, saying that they are ugly. They are okay. The shape sure looks like it makes it very easy to control the gestures. They say they are not very good at exercising. They were not intended for exercising. They were intended for office use, for dictation, for making calls. They have a diameter of 22 millimeters by 19.9 millimeters. The charging case is 75 millimeters of length, 33.2 width, and 25 millimeters of height. Each earbud is 7.2 grams with the ear tip. The charging case is 40 grams without the earbuds. They last around 8 hours of battery life and up to 24 with the charging case. So that's about 2 charges. Then a 10-minute charge gives you around 1 hour of battery life. It's USB-A to USB-C, 1 meter. That's around 3.3 feet. The audio codecs are SBC and FX. They have pretty decent specs, by the way. Nothing surprising, no noise cancelling. It doesn't look like they have a lot of bass, but we need to keep it real. These earbuds were not intended for audiophiles. They were not intended to be OEMs. I would say they are one of the first earbuds that are intended for the office or for school presentations. I believe their strengths are in the microphone. They are great for dictation. So if you are looking for noise cancelling earbuds that are great for exercising and listening to music, these headphones are not for you. If you are looking for that, you should just go to buy some earbuds from Sony. But if you want to try something different, earbuds with a plethora of gestures and great for dictation or simply something different. Until now, all of the companies have been following the same trend, even trying to look like the AirPods Pro with the same design. That is boring if you ask me. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time, if you liked our video, please subscribe.